Hi guys, how you doing today? So in this video, right, I'm going to be showing you what you need to see before you enter a trade. I'm going to be walking you through some confirmation checklists you need to see before you take a trade. So let's use the gold USD. So this is my MetaTrader 5 right here. So I'm going to be showing you some things you need to do. The first thing you need to do before you enter any trade is that you want to come to the higher time frame. You want to come to the higher time frame. Why do you need to do this? You want to be able to see the market clearly. You want to see your chart clearly. Now, before you take a trade, you want to come to the higher time frame so that you see what has market done in the past, so that you'll be able to tell or predict and say, okay, probably the market will do this in the future. You want to see what the market has done before, so you want to come to the higher time frame. So this is the first thing you want to do. Now, when you come to the higher time frame, you want to ask yourself, is the market trending? Is the market trending? And right here, you can see that the market is trending downwards. The market started trending upward here, and then now is retracing back and is trending downward. So now, once you have seen this, now you know that the market is trending. So that's the first thing you want to do. The first thing you want to do, which is come to a higher time frame and see, is the market trending. That is the first thing before you take a trade. So right here, you have seen the first one, that the market is trending. The second thing you want to do is that you want to be able to see support and resistance. Support and resistance. So let's just zoom and put our support and resistance. So you can see now. So this was exactly what I did, that I sell the gold. This is exactly what I did. So let's see. Now this is, I'm drawing support and resistance. You can see now, I first said the market is what? The market is trending downward. And if you know, in a trending market, we normally have, like you can see this is a lower low, this is a lower low and a lower high. A lower low and a what? A lower high. A lower low and a lower high. So that's what we see in a trending market. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to see that the market is trending, and then you want to be able to draw lines of support and resistance. Now you can see the line I drew here. The line I drew here, what happened? Price came down here and tested this as a what? As a floor, as a support, and it retraced back. So we can say this is, the second thing again you want to see pullbacks. You want to see pullbacks. Now this is a pullback, right? This is a pullback. You want to see pullback. It tested this place here. It tested this place here. So you want to see pullbacks. You can even also draw the line here is support resistance. Let's just copy this. Sorry, I'm going to copy this, right? And then you can see here, you can see it here, right? So now you want to be able to see lines of support and resistance. And look at another one here. Now you can see the market came down, broke this support. This was a support here. The market came down, broke this support, tested this one, and we had a resistance here, a ceiling here, and then the market broke down the support again, okay, and then tested it here as a ceiling. You see, the market broke down, tested it as a ceiling. So the first thing you want to see is that you want to see what that is trending. The second thing you want to see is what? Pullbacks. Now you can see that the market pulled back here, tested it what? As a ceiling, as a resistance line, and broke the support here. So you want to see this. The first thing is trending, the pullback is the second thing, line support and resistance. Now the third thing you want to see wicks. You want to see wicks in the area of support and resistance. Now when I saw this, I saw it around this point here. I saw the market just here, this point where I'm pointing now. This is where I saw the market here, around this point. So I went to the higher time frame and I confirmed that it's trending. Then I drew my support and resistance line. So when I drew it, knowing that in a trending market, let me show you something. In a trending market, this is how it will look like. We have something like this. We have this tracement like this. So this is what we normally see in a downtrend. This is how it will look like, okay? So here, right here, is your entry. This is where you want to enter the market. You want to enter the market at this point here. Let me show you. When you see a trending market, you want to enter the market at here, this point here. So the market came down. Doing that again. So we have in a trending market, you want to see the market coming down and retracement. So this is forming something like a lower low and a lower high, a lower low and a lower high, a lower low and a lower high. Now this is how it's going to look like. Now if you are coming into the market, you want to be able to come in at this point here. At this point here, this is the best point to enter the market. This is the best point to enter the market, okay? This is the best point to enter the market. So this was exactly what I saw here. Now I saw that it's trending, so I waited for the what? The retracement. I waited for the retracement. The market retraced back to this resistance line here, and then it came down. It came down. So like I said, I saw this market at this point here. So immediately it tested this resistance line that was a previous support. It was a previous support and it tested it. I knew that we are going to be selling off the gold. We are going to be selling off. So we are going short. And you can see we have long wicks. So the first thing is the market trending. Yes. Are we seeing lines of support and resistance? Yes. Are we seeing the pullbacks, the retracements? Yes. Is the support here, was it the resistance, was it previous support? Yes. Can we see wicks? Yes. So from this point, you can now see that you can now enter a sell. So that was exactly what I did, and I entered a sell for this particular trade. So these are the few things you want to do before you enter a trade. You want to first check and see if the what you want to first check and see if the market is trending. So it should be your confirmation checklist. You want to also see support and resistance. You want to see pullbacks. You want to see wicks. Okay. So I hope you found this video engaging. If you did, I want you to hit the subscribe button, turn off the notification bell, and I'm also going to be dropping a link to one of my recommended broker so that you can sign up immediately. A recommended broker that you can sign up immediately and start trading. So thank you for watching.